Hey there, the question says two bookstores buy rare books for rupees 1000 and rupees 2000 respectively. The first bookstore marks up its book by X%. Okay. The second bookstore marks up its book by 2X% and then gives a discount of X% on the mark price. If the two bookstores make the same non-zero profit, find X, the same profit. So for the first one, we don't have to, think much because they buy at 1000 and sell it at the profit of X% because there's no discount. So marked up price is same as selling price. So X% of 1000. What is that? 10X. So that is what they are selling it. So 10X is the profit for the first bookseller, which should be same for second bookseller as well. I'll calculate the profit for second bookseller in the same line. I would not write again and again so as to waste any time. I'll just do it in one single line. Okay. So for the second bookstore, the price was 2000 already and it increased the price by 2x%. That means this is the increased price and then decreased by x% by giving discount. So this is the final price, but this is not the final profit. For profit, we need to subtract 2000. Either I subtract 2000 or I take 2000 common and put a -1 here. It'll be same thing. This looks better, right? So let us solve this up. Well, so now I will just try and break these things down. So I can break this like 10 divides 2200 times. So now I have x is equal to 200 times 1. I'll just open this bracket. I'll get 1 plus 2x by 100 minus x by 100. That comes out to be x by 100 minus 2x square by 100 square minus 1. Now you see this plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled out. Nice. Let me open the bracket. So x equal to 200 goes inside. 200 into x by 100 is 2x. And this becomes minus 200. So 100 goes out to 4x square by 100 is what I'll be getting. Am I right there? Let me just check it out. 200, 100, 2 times. Yeah, that's perfect. So this is what we have, which means that x is equal to 4x square by 100. And because x is non-zero, I can just eliminate one x. So now x becomes 100 by 4, or I can say 25. So the answer is 25%. Hope you enjoyed this solution. Thank you.